In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use BigQuery on the Google Cloud platform with the Johns Hopkins University COVID-19 dataset. This can be a powerful tool for those who want to analyze data and derive insights regarding the pandemic, and I'll guide you through each step to get started. First, let's begin by navigating to BigQuery. Open up your web browser and go to the address console.cloud.google.com/BigQuery. It's best to ensure you're using a supported browser for optimal experience. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign in to your Google account if you're not already logged in. If you don't have an account, you can create one easily and come back to this page. Next, after signing in, you'll need to select or create a Google Cloud project. This is crucial as BigQuery operations are tied to a project. You might see the option to select a project right on the homepage. If you need to create a new project, look for the option that lets you do so, ensuring you give it a name that you'll remember easily, something related to COVID-19 analysis perhaps. Once you have a project selected, we can now start working with our dataset. Now, in the BigQuery Explorer panel on the left side, click on plus add data and then select public datasets. These datasets are publicly available and ready for you to use without having to import or upload them manually. In the search bar, type COVID-19 Open Data by JHU and hit enter. This is the dataset provided by Johns Hopkins University, which is one of the most comprehensive sources of global COVID-19 data. After locating it, click on View Dataset. This will open up a view, giving you details about the dataset and the tables it contains. From here, when you click on the dataset table, for example, COVID-19 is open d is data.covid19 is open data, you'll be able to see the structure of the data, including fields such as dates, country names, and cumulative confirmed cases, which are pivotal for your analyses. Go ahead and click on the Query option, then select Query Table. This is where you'll construct your SQL query to retrieve the data you're interested in. In the query editor, enter a simple SQL query. For example, select country name, date, cumulative confirmed, without the quotations. This will extract a basic yet valuable view of how cases have progressed over time across different countries. It's a great starting point and can be modified as needed to tailor further analyses. Once you've written your query, go ahead and click Run. You'll notice that the results display almost instantly in the results pane below. Congratulations, you're now successfully using BigQuery with the JHU COVID-19 dataset. You can export this data or visualize it right away using other tools available in Google Cloud Platform. But today, this wraps up our introductory tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful in getting started with BigQuery. Keep exploring and happy analyzing!